In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change colors in Affinity Photo. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can get a clean result fast. You only need to do two things, and I'll walk you through each one with a few practical tips to make it effortless. First, click the image. This tells Affinity Photo exactly what you want to work on. Make sure the image is active in your document area. When it's selected, you'll typically see a highlight, a bounding box, or a clear indication in the Layers panel that the layer is active. If nothing seems to select, glance at your Layers panel to confirm you're on the correct layer and that it isn't locked. Clicking directly on the content is the fastest way to avoid targeting the wrong element. If you're using a specific tool, like the Move tool, you'll often get more obvious feedback that the image is selected. The key is simply to ensure your click activates the item you want to recolor, so the next action applies exactly where you expect. Next, select the color at the top. Look to the top of the interface for the color control. This is typically a swatch or picker in the toolbar. Click it to open the color options. You'll see choices for hue, saturation, and brightness, along with different color models you can switch between if you prefer working in HSL, RGB, or CMYK. Drag the hue slider to choose a new base color, then fine-tune saturation and brightness for intensity and lightness. As you adjust, you should see the change previewed on your selected content. If you know the exact value you want, you can type it into the fields. Many pickers also include an eyedropper. Use that to sample a color from anywhere on your canvas or screen for quick matching. If your result looks too bold, reduce saturation. If it looks dull, nudge brightness or saturation up slightly. Small, gradual moves often give the most natural look. That's the whole process. Click the image to target it, then select the color at the top to apply your new tone. If you don't see the update, double check that the correct item is selected and that you're interacting with the active color control in the top toolbar. Remember, you can always undo a change and try a different hue until it feels right. With just these two actions, you can quickly refresh a design, align colors with a brand palette, or experiment with creative alternatives without overcomplicating your workflow.